Welcome back, traders. This is the weekly reflection. This video is about a weekly reflection. For this video, we're going to do gold and gold only. And I took the liberty to do my indicators there. So we have a perspective of the week. So this is the week from Sunday to Sunday on gold. Okay. Now, as you can see, on the 4-hour time frame, gold hasn't really done much, right? It barely worked its way up, crashed down, now trying to work its way up. This video was a bit late. I didn't get a chance to do it exactly on Sunday as I normally do. Now it is the 18th, so as you can see, next week I'll cover this area here, but let's focus on this one. You can see nothing is really happening on gold, right? On the hourly time frame, you can see the same thing. On the hourly time frame, it just barely makes it up, crashes right back down, trying to make it up again, and as you can see, for next week, it's crashed right back down. On the daily, again, not much is happening. Yeah, not much is happening on a daily. So we have to then look at the Forex Factory and see why it's doing that, okay? Especially this big crash here. So when is this? Well, this was on Thursday, the 12th, around 2 p.m. All right, Thursday the 12th, around 2 p.m. So we have 1:30 here. Okay, no, so that's when the candle, there we are. Oh yeah, so that's when the candle started. 2 p.m. What do we have? We have unemployment claims. So this was at 1:30, and that caused the candle to crash. Right? The market to crash. Last week we also had non-farm employment change, which also caused some volatility on Wednesday. So we have Wednesday here, right? Wednesday is this area here. Not much movement happening the whole day. And then on Friday, you have the CPI for the US. So this week was a really volatile week because we have the non-farm and the CPI in the same week. So it's likely we're gonna have this type of problem because of what's happening here, because of non-farm, the unemployment claims, and the CPI, right? So not much to do, not much to cover, nothing really happened. As you can see here in the volume was down most of the time, right? Volume was down most of the time, not much is really happening. So yeah, I mean, it's a short one. That's it for gold, and I'll see you next week. Peace.